Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can change your username in TikTok. By this name, you are found in searches, or you can copy it and send it. So how do you change username? To do this, you need to go to your TikTok, go to your profile, then select Edit Profile. Here you have a button, Username. Click, and here you write the username that you want to specify. But be careful, it must be unique, should not coincide with any account. If all is well appears checkbox, click Save, but be careful, you can change your username once in 30 days. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done, nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.